Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can change the font size for messages and chats you have in the WhatsApp application, but not on your mobile device, but in a WhatsApp application installed on your PC or laptop. You can customize the font size and the font in general as well here on WhatsApp on PC or laptop. So let us guide you through it. Launch the WhatsApp application, and what will be needed to do, guys, is simply clicking into that settings button in the bottom left corner. From here, click into personalization, scroll all the way down to get to text size here, and simply click into that drop down menu and select your preferred font size. So let me switch to 135%, and there you go. Here in the preview, as you can see, the text font has been increased, as you can see, but that doesn't apply to the interface text. As you can see, it has actually the same size, but messages you sent, let me just enter that chat here really quickly. Messages you sent to your contacts here will be then displayed in such a font with a size like this. And that's basically it, guys. That's how we do it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.